Hello and welcome to our channel. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Follow us on our Instagram at ic.coupons. Here are some definitions to abbreviations that are being used for my beginners or for anyone who's wondering what they mean. I went ahead and put this together for you guys. Now here are a few deals that we have for the upcoming week, which is 12/22 to 12/28. We have Hershey's. You can buy two Hershey singles, 1.39 to 2 ounces. They're two for $2. You're going to use $1 off two Hershey singles, which is a CRT. It's printing for everyone on Sunday. And your final cost will be 50 cents each. And now the soft soap body wash. Soft soap body wash is 15 to 18 ounces, or liquid hand soap, 13 ounces. You're going to buy one, get one for 50% off. Buy two, receive $3 extra care bucks. You get a limit of 4. So you're going to buy two soft soap body wash at $4.99 and $2.49, which equals $7.48. You're going to use two of the 75 cents off one IPQ. You're going to use $2 off 6 body wash CRT, and you're going to roll $3. So again, roll means using the same amount of extra care bucks previously awarded as the amount you will receive for the transaction. And your total payout will be $1.73 plus tax. So your final cost is 86 cents each. No CRT. You will be paying $3.73. Final cost is $1.86 for each item. Now we have my favorite lotion ever, Eucerin Body Lotion. Spend 20 and get 10 extra care bucks. You're going to buy one Eucerin Daily Hydration Lotion at $11.79. You're also going to buy a Eucerin Skin Calming Lotion for $9.79, giving you a total of $21.58. You're going to use one $5 off two Eucerin Lotion / face. That will be in your retail me not $12.8. You're going to use $3 off 10 lotion, which is a CRT in the app. You're going to roll $10, and again, roll is the same as extra care bucks that you were previously awarded. You will be paying $3.58 plus tax. Final cost is just $1.79 each. If you have no CRT for the lotion, you will be paying $6.58, making your final cost $3.24. Not bad. And now for my ladies who love to dye their hair, I have Clairol Nice and Easy Permanent Hair Color. You're going to buy two and receive $5 extra care bucks. You can only do this once, so it's a limit of one. Buy two Clairol Nice and Easy Permanent Hair Color Kit at $8.49, which gives you a total of $16.98. You're going to use one $5 off two Clairol Nice and Easy, which will be in your Smart Source of $12.8. You're going to use $3 off any hair color, CRT. You're going to roll $5, which means the same amount you were previously awarded, and you'll be paying $3.98 plus tax. Final cost is $1.99 for each item. If you have no CRT, it'll be $6.98, making your final cost at $3.49 each. And now we have our Crest 3D white strips. It'll be at 8 to 21 count. You're going to save $20 with card. So you're going to buy one Crest 3D white strip 20 count, which is $34.49. And you're going to use a $5 off one CVS digital coupon. You're going to use a $5 off one Crest 3D white strips CRT. And you're also going to use your 3 off complete whitening CRT. Now, your final cost to all of this will be $1.49 plus tax. If you do not have the CRT, it'll be $9.49 plus tax. And once again, for more deals, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us at our IG page at ic.coupons. Thank you and have a wonderful day.